entitled as Song and Top Stars. We will start with Song. And this lesson is about to introduce the months of the year and also to ask and answer about someone's favorite month. So let's start with months of the year. As you can see here, we have a calendar, and a calendar has 12 months. And as usual, let's start with the new words of the lesson. So please listen carefully and repeat.
January. February. February. March. March. April. April. May. May. June. June. July. July. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. November. December. December. Rain. Rain.
All right, thank you very much, dear students, for listening. Now, I would like you to open your books to page number 71. And here on this page, we have a poem or song that will give us more information about the months of the year. All right, so please listen carefully and repeat or say.
2. Listen and match. Then say. The months of the year.
December, January, February. It's cold, cold, cold. Let's make a snowman talk. Wear your hat and your gloves. It's cold, cold, cold. March, April, May. It's windy, windy, windy. Let's fly kite fade. A red, yellow, green and blue kite. Up in the sky. Up in the sky. June, July, August, play in the sun. Let's go to the beach and play in the sun. September, October, November. It's cloudy, look, Jane. Let's run in the rain. Take your umbrella and run in the rain.
Thanks a lot for listening. Now, all you have to do is to match each picture. As you can see, there are pictures here next to the poem or the song. You have to match each picture to the paragraph it talks about. All right? Now let's move to our next idea or step. All right, dear students, now the next step is to ask someone about his favorite month. How do we ask that in English? All right, look here, we use this question. What's your favorite month? And the answer is, my favorite month is, for example, August. For example, August. Of course, you can use any month, April, November, January, whatever. And I would like you to notice here something very important, which is what's. What's here is the short form of what is. What is. This is here how we make it short. All right, this is the short form. And now, to make use of this question, what's your favorite month, and to practice it and to practice its answer, let's listen to these two kids and learn from them. All right, just do as they do. So listen carefully, please.
What's your favourite month, Umar?
My favourite month is July.
Why?
Because I go to the beach in July.
All right, so that's it. It's very easy. Just do as they do. Now, by this, we come to the end of the first part of our lesson. And now we will move to the next part, which is top stars. Top stars. And the target of this lesson is to introduce the seasons and to ask and answer about activities done in each season. So let's know more about this. So these are the seasons, as you can see here. These are all the seasons. We have 4 seasons, and here, down here, we have more new words. Okay, the seasons are only 4. Okay, these are the seasons, and down here we have more new words. All right, so let's introduce ourselves to the new words. So listen carefully and repeat.
Winter. Winter. Spring. Spring. Summer. Summer. Autumn. Autumn. seasons, seasons. Leaf, leaf. Leaves, leaves. Snow, snow.
Okay, thanks a lot for listening, and you can find these words in the vocabulary section in the lesson, okay, in your books. Now I would like you to open your books, page 72 and 73. Let's move on. All right, as you can see in the page, you will see these two girls and there is a tab. So let's listen to them and learn more about seasons. All right, so let's do it.
2. Read and answer. How many seasons are there?
It's December. Winter is here.
Look at the snow. Brrr.
Rima, your nose is red. Are you cold?
Yes.
It's okay, Rima. Look, it's spring now.
Wow. What do you do in spring?
We plant trees and flowers.
Look, Sahar. Now it's autumn.
The leaves are orange. It's windy too. Tab, how many seasons are there?
4.
Autumn, winter, spring.
And summer. It's sunny and hot. I'm hot.
So after listening to these two girls and the tab, we learned more about seasons, okay? And what do we do in seasons? Let's move to the next point. And as you can see here, we have a question. What do you do in spring? So we use this question to ask about an activity. To ask someone about an activity he does in any season. All right? So for example here, I plant trees. So the activity or the answer for this question, I plant trees. This is only an example. You can answer the way you want. All right? What do you do in spring? I plant trees. Or you can say, I play football. I water flowers. So the idea here is how to ask about an activity. All right? What do you do in spring? Thank you very much for listening. And to know more about this question, how to ask it and how to answer it, let's listen to these two girls and learn from them. And just do as they do.
What do you do in summer? I play in the sun.
All right. And you can choose an activity from this blue box here. All right. So what do you do in summer? You can say, I play in the sun, or I play with the snow, or I water flowers, or I make a snowman. So these are just examples about activities. All right. So let's move to the next step, which is your homework. So what is your homework? As you can see, you have 3 pages as homeworks. As homework, page number 69, 70, and 71. Okay, so these are your homework, and they are from the workbook. You can find them in the workbook. Thank you very much for listening, dear students. We come to the end of our lesson. Goodbye. Bye. برعاية الله أعزائي الطلاب. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.